Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine and preparing according to your syllabus. Now, according to syllabus, today I will start new chapter and chapter number 4. The name of the chapter Parts of a Computer. आज हम चैप्टर 4 पढ़ेंगे and see in the book पेज नंबर 28. आप पेज नंबर 28 बुक से निकाल लो and today we will learn the parts of computer. Already we have discussed in the starting classes about the parts of computer. I hope you know very well about how many parts of computer. There are main 4 parts of computer. How many? 4 parts. Keyboard, mouse, monitor and CPU. These are the main parts of computer, and also we are using some extra part in computer like printer, plotter, scanner. These are the additional part of computer. So in this chapter we will learn how it look like, means the parts of computer, how it is looking and what is the use of each one. So let us see the first picture in the book. See here parts of computer and see the page number given here in the chapter. Page number, how much is it? 28 page number. Here now learning in this chapter. What we will learn in this chapter? The parts of computer, and these are the main parts of computer. CPU, mouse, monitor, keyboard and printer. Listen, these the words you have to write and learn with spelling. आप घर में इसका स्पेलिंग भी आप राइट करोगे. 5 times each spelling you have to write in the computer copy, and you have to learn spelling also. Here, as we have different parts in our body, a computer also has many parts. You know, in our body we have the different parts like ear, nose, forehead, hands, leg. So these are the important parts. So same in computer have also some important parts, and all these parts work together to do any work in computer. Means these are all parts, means keyboard, monitor, CPU and mouse, they have the different work of each one. जैसे हम लोगों के बॉडी में अलग अलग पार्ट्स है, सो वी आर यूजिंग फॉर डिफरेंट वर्क्स सेम इट इज. मीन्स यू नो, eye is using to see, watch, and nose for smell. So same in computer also have monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse, and here given one printer. It is also very important part, because whatever we are doing in computer, and if you want to take printout on the page, so you will have to use printer. So it will give the result on the paper. Now see the here given about the monitor. Spelling of monitor you learn MONITOR, monitor. You will repeat this 3 times, MONITOR. आप इसको लर्न भी करोगे. Here how it looks like. A monitor looks like a television. आपके घर में टेलीविजन है ना, टीवी है. ये हमारा मॉनिटर कैसा दिखता है? लाइक अ टेलीविजन स्क्रीन. इन कंप्यूटर, स्कूल कंप्यूटर यू मे हैव सीन, आप कंप्यूटर लैब में देखे होंगे. एक हमारा टेबल पे, डेस्क पे एक हमारा स्क्रीन रखा हुआ था, दैट इज लुक्स लाइक अ टेलीविजन. सेम दैट इज कॉल्ड इन कंप्यूटर मॉनिटर. क्या उसको बोलते हैं? मॉनिटर. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ दिस मॉनिटर? इसका यूज क्या होता है? We can see movies and cartoons on it. आप घर में कार्टून देखते हो ना टीवी में, मूवी भी देखते होंगे आप. सो सेम इन कंप्यूटर मॉनिटर वी कैन ऑल्सो watch all these things, means movies, cartoons, and whatever work you will do, that you will see on the monitor. Next, it shows us the work done on a computer. ये हमारा क्या शो करता है? whatever work we are doing in computer, जो हम लोग कीबोर्ड से टाइप करते हैं, माउस से ड्रॉ करते हैं, that is all the works that is done in computer that showing on the screen. ये कहाँ दिखाएगा हमारा? यहाँ पे ये Ubuntu लिखा हुआ है, the name of operating system. यहाँ पे आप कुछ पेंटिंग ड्रॉ करोगे तो पिक्चर शो करेगा. If you will write your name, your father's mother's name, so it will appear on the screen here. If you will watch the video will appear on the screen. So these are about the monitor. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about the different parts of computer. Now about the CPU. So today only this much. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.